don't stem no cap in no dog. You see we and think of foreign a pass. Designer for days, big food where we chop in a yard. Run on them not up the traffic abroad. The laser in mute. When plant the one then when I shoot. How the bumper clan is a little yacht. Look like your torment. Don't make me circle the beef. Ready for condemn. You know what you got me squeeze. Skill on the something. No tell no enemy freeze. Them man no problem. No fucking problem. What do the world greatest rapists, 80s, babies? Now make a touch on the monkey than the more ladies. Any now if it's no them like David. The bumper blood clot. Who them a play with?
So nation walk once about Adrian back in the building with another episode. What we are say? Dancehall scene update to our next level. Yeah. A pam and never peep. You see me? Yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. We're trying to build a whole channel here. You know what I mean? Alkaline drop new songs. Say all our Vendetta fans them out right now. TikToker Alex Yamid Boss hospitalized in critical condition. We are gonna talk about that too, nation. Also, we see where Vybz Kartel clap back to Beenie Man and stating who's the king of Dancehall. Stick around, we'll be right back.
City that a couple milli, US dollars and it cannot fit in on your belly. The DG and them will never want people see me.
When we realize that Jamaica is like a trending place, you see me I say, cause you know when time we bring shot them did I get robbed down at Jamaica. And it's become a trend. No, TikTokers are get shot down at Jamaica and it become a trend. It's like Jamaica is not a normal place. Is me I say I realized that from a couple years back. So those of you guys who don't know, Alex Yamid Boss, we singing Yamid song. You see me I say been shot and hospitalized at this moment. You see it. So those of you guys don't know who's Yamid. Yamid is a farmer, TikToker, YouTuber. Yamid Boss, the latest social media influencer who attacked by armed personnel as per developed reports. You know what I mean? People are saying get shot. But him not dead, you know what I mean? Him get shot in his head and his arm. So we don't really know what going really upon that. But this incident reportedly took place in a Browns Hall community in St. Catherine. A male who says he knows Alex stated that he visited the family and informed that TikToker was fact shot in hospital. The person also stated that he was shot in the head and currently in critical condition. Nation, tell me what you think in our comment box about this trending activities in Jamaica. You know what I mean? I heard he was online while being shot.
Come around, you see this?
Voila.
You see all of this?
Wait.
You see all of this? You see all of this? Yes, PADS. So nice. Talk to me. Hey. Big up your woman, we are sending money come pay. We can, you know, say, yo, you work have to do it. Don't bang the line, people go find work. Go swing bucket.
Real talk, me and tell a dog. Never could have spent on weed and wine at them time, but we evolve. Don't me lose change here that. Fool them still lounge, but then a priest and rifle shot for Pierce, Miss Girl.
Shan, me see the Alkaline fans, I'm a real up and go on a bag of things. Alkaline find a new hit song. Earn your way, you know what I mean, by the Squid Game team background and everything. It was a good look, it's a good put together song. Good lyrics is, you know what I mean. I like the theme of the cover art of the song, you know what I mean. It's going with the time right now because you know Squid Game trending. But me I say, when you comment in the comment box, when you think about that song, yeah, you hear him to who? Who Alkaline attack? Cause a track a proper track, me see answer a lot of things, you know, even when Scattered that tell Vybz Kartel say, yo, him and foot type incident. Him answer all that in another song, you see me, but one thing, there's gonna be a war with Alkaline and Masicka this year. Wait, that war right now gonna be normal if Alkaline and Masicka go at it. Would see which one of these artists can create the sickest war bangers in dancehall. You see me I say? Cause after Masicka and Alkaline time for sure, say alright cool. Masicka and Alkaline them a try go at it for a long while now. So now them have to prove themselves cause the Gaza boss done sign the war there. You see me and say, and I like say Gaza boss not sign the war, them sign off on it and say that him want to say. And I think that I go on. You see me? No, we can see where a lot of Vybz Kartel fans, including Black Rhino, attacking Beenie Man at this point because Beenie Man point out say him I king and no Vybz Kartel. You know what I mean? So Vybz Kartel didn't even say nothing, but Black Rhino said if a two king, let it be clear, Adidja Palmer and Vybz Kartel. Our next fans of Vybz Kartel stated this.
Beenie and now let it go, Jaja. Yo, there's not even no war. Beenie Man, you putting that up don't mean nothing because no one's not trying to take away from the fact that you used to be the king of the dancehall. Yeah? From Kartel said, yeah, the king of the dancehall from your come out to your mother belly. He's giving you your respect and dues back then. That's 2009. Now I see him turn. You know what's mad? Kartel's not even fighting the thing. The people them just gave it to him. So there's no war. Beenie, I fight yourself at this point, and you just need to stop because not every king lives forever. Yeah, there's a new king in town now. Just walk.
Young boy like me now go say Beenie Man a king of dancehall. Me know no young youths right now now say Beenie Man a king of dancehall a bumbuckler. Beenie Man you have to go tap it, you can't tap. It was a thing of 1970-60 when you say Zagaza. Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall. Remember that, I know so you can't go around that. Any other king I must drinking or smoking, blood clot. Beenie Man I can't tap no man. But king of dancehall, your blood clot.
As we can see, the likes of Shakim comment on this Beenie and Vybz Kartel king of dancehall issue. Let's take a listen.
Vybz Kartel king of dancehall. Bounty killer. Crown Vybz Kartel king of dancehall. Many people, or if not, most people in the dancehall space, crown Vybz Kartel king of dancehall. But Beenie Man decide him not giving up the crown. You know what is causing that? Because dancehall now run under no order. Dancehall now run under no regulation. Dancehall now run under no rules when it comes to the kingship. Now dig this. Say for example, the big people them we are run dancehall. If them would have organized it in a this way, whereby whosoever is the king, when there is a new king risen, then the old king have to crown the new king. The old king have to put the crown on the new king head and make the thing run smooth. And not in a way whereby some of the crowd that say a Beenie Man still are the king, and some of the crowd that say a Kartel are the king. Everybody in a dancehall would crown the new king. You know what I mean? Publicly. Because it has to be a public decision. But right now, I fight over a crown. Beenie Man a throw word off a Kartel a throw back word and not just word.
All them a play it, yo. Loaded, affluent, why you want me to send? Yeah, jet skis, RVs, where I see my friend. That the food chain, the place I print money, my food, all in I guarantee my band, get the riches, I wanna go bend. Rich mobster, yeah, matches are born for them. Maybe not a Castellana, but for the them. Start third home, I learn to feel like they say, tell me this the thing, and your funeral, and where them I go attend. Real talk, me and tell a dog, never could have.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.